did. So I go back into the group and I explain things, but I don't got time to re-edit that video and try to do a voiceover and all that. So most of the ladies inside of my group already know how to paint, because most of them have been with me for 4 years, and they're very talented painters. So on things like this, I don't need to reteach it. I don't need to bring it back in and say, you know, do it all over again. So what I do, or what, this is actually the first one that I'm going to do like this. I usually give them a line drawing, but I had a really good idea on not just giving them the line drawing, but we're going to make it into a paint by number. Isn't that cool? Because they already know how I shade and highlight. I'm going to put you down here so you can kind of see my thoughts on this. And then that way, they not only get the 1 to 2 tutorials, hold on, a week, they can also...
that'll help you get more subscribers as well.
Let me go to... Oh, there we go. Yes, the infection is going. I'm so happy. Yes. I can see what I'm doing. So, now what I did was I have to put the tracing paper on the can first of all. And that's really tough when you got these grooves in there. It's circular. So this was my first go around, and then I had to take white out, actually white paint. Anyway, nobody wants to see my mess. So I'm going to draw it out for them again. And then I'm going to do a paint by number for them. So I know this isn't really entertaining whatsoever, but I will be back on here tonight at 8:30 or 8:15. I can't remember what my time slot is, but it will be my time slot for Craft Around the Clock. And I'm going to just pull out, actually I'm going to do my tombstone. I've been wanting to do a pink tombstone with a ghost on it. And so I've got a tombstone wood form. And that's what I'm going to do. It'll go, did you guys watch my live the other night with the witch hat? And it didn't take very long at all. This was on my business page here. I did buy this wood cutout from Diverse Woodworking, but you could do it with any witch hat. Look how cute that turned out. Unfortunately, I didn't know a spider had 8 legs until I put the legs in, and somebody said, oh, you're missing 2 legs, so. So I had to kind of clean that up. And then today at 2 o'clock, I'm going, oh, actually 3 o'clock Eastern time, I'm going to go into my friend Kathy DiDomenico's group, and we're going to paint Halloween ornaments in pink and black. And I've done them here on my page too before, but that's going to be my project. And then, oh, my project inside my painting group tonight is, hold on, I gotta show you this. I can move it. So also at Diverse Woodworking, when I went to their retreat last year, I got these light bulb cutouts. I had my husband cut me out one, because this one I painted last year with that rose gold. It's so pretty. I love the rose gold. And then, so then this was my project for Tuesday night inside the Painting for Profits group. I have not sealed it yet because I'm going to have Steve scan it for me so that I can use the, I'm going to be selling my PNG files, and for people who sublimate or people who do decoupage papers, they're going to be available. So once Steve is done with this, has it scanned, I'm going to cover this area and the stained glass windows and the white trees with diamond dust. Oh, it's gonna look pretty. All right, so you guys know that I am all about the pink right now, and I really wanted to paint this in pink, but you know, I gotta kind of do what my group wants to do, and I didn't know, I've been throwing a lot of pink at them, so I did that, but guess what? I can't resist. I'm going to take that design, and tonight it's going to be pink. It's going to be a pink church. Everything's going to be the same, but it's going to be pink. Now, I don't know if it's going to be this bright, bright pink, because it's pink. It is so pink. In fact, it is electric pink. I really like the bubblegum pink, but I'm out of it. I mean, it is like almost neon pink. But I'm also thinking, okay, let me show you this, because this is my other idea. It's kind of like I'm sitting here thinking to myself, and then I had to get online. So like this one that we did a couple weeks ago, I used more of a light pink. So actually, now that I'm talking myself through it, I think I will switch it out to this color pink and let them match. So this is a bucket design. I designed 3 different designs on a bucket shape, and then they'll have holes drilled up here, and then a metal or a wire handle. And I haven't found a basket, you know, the wood thing that you get on a basket or something to put on the handle. So I want to find one of those. But when I get this back from Steve, it's going to be, all this up here will be diamond dusted, so it'll be nice and shiny. The tops of my gumdrops, it's going to look adorable. So now that I saw that pink compared to this, I'm going to have to give it a Denver base coat, because I am loving all the pink colors. Let me up over here so I can see my other comments. So how many people are liking pink for this, for Halloween or Christmas? I just, you know, I'm torn because I love the pink, but I'm just so, what's everybody going to think about all the pink? Thank you, Colleen. I do feel better today. Hi, Kathy. So that's going to be what I do inside my group tonight. And then I've got these little tombstones that came from the same place. And I'm going to paint it black, or it can be black and pink. So it'll have like the frame around it, and I think the edge will be black, and then the inside will be the hot pink. And then I'm going to make a little, oh, wait. It's going to be black on the inside. It's going to have pink on the outer edge. The house here is going, the haunted house is going to be pink on the black. And then it'll have a little ghost coming out of it. That will be a pink ghost. And then down here I'll have 3 tombstones that look like gumdrops in different colors. That is why I love to go live, because you know what? I have to talk through the process sometimes. And sometimes if I'm just sitting here by myself, I'll overthink it. And it doesn't come out to what I wanted. So that's my schedule for today. And I got a coaching call in between there. So anyway, I'm going to be putting up a free tutorial soon. To launch my, or for my painting group. I haven't decided if I want to do one now or wait for a Christmas one. Trying to get it done, but with being sick, it took a while. Let me get this word in here. So then when I give this to my members, I will give them the line drawing in a JPEG format, a PDF format, and then I will take it over to Block Poster so that if they have trouble managing a line drawing, all they have to do is, in Block Posters, it'll print it off page by page, and then real easy to print out your own line drawing. So we're going to do this. Number 1 is going to be black. Wouldn't this be such an easier way? And I had started this at one time, and I kind of fell by the wayside with it. But it'll be perfect when I don't really have a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so 2 is going to be antique gold. Warm beige for my face will be number 3. Number 4 will be country red. Coloring book pages work really well. So this one's going to be 4 here, 4 here, 4, and then 4 on the scarf. Make sure they know the whole thing is number 4. Then we have number 5 will be pumpkin spice. So I'm going to do something like this for a free tutorial. So be watching for it. Make sure you sign up for my notifications, because hopefully next week I'll come up with a design to share with you guys, and I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial, but I'll also do it with kind of like a paint by number. Okay, then we're going to have the burnt umber. And that's going to be number 6, so our stems get that. So on the hair, our first layer, this is 2, this is 2. First layer will be number 6. And then the second layer will be the antique gold, so we'll put that at 2. And then my tag was a little bit different, but we're going to put that at the same as the face. So number 3 for the warm beige. And then I do have a green patch. So we're going to put green on number 7. Oh, we got 7 on the leaves. And the burnt umber is number 6 for the centers. Yay! That's it. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to the list of the colors, and they'll get this. They can put it on a gas can like what I did, or they can put it on any kind of surface, a suitcase. Oh my gosh, an old suitcase with this on there would be so cute. Colleen got some Halloween coloring books. I got a coloring book. I'll show you. But I found mine down in the storage unit. Look at this old coloring book that my husband had and some of his flea market stuff. I don't know that there's any really good designs in this one. There's some candy that I could use for a candy thing. But I kind of don't want to mess it up because it's never been colored in. Or look at that snow globe with a Santa. That would be cute. Oh, the turtle would be cute. Even the mailbox. Actually, there might be some good ones in here. And the lantern, if you turned it the different way. This one is, I don't know if it's got a date on it. But it was 29 cents, so I have a feeling it was from back in my day. Printing and Lithographing Company. I don't think they lithograph anymore. And then the date is in Roman numerals, so it doesn't have a date, but I'm pretty sure that this is more like the 1960, maybe earlier, because 29 cents is still a little bit. I got this one, and then at Dollar Tree, I got this one. So you can always take things like this, and like there's some cute bats. I wouldn't put that crazy of a face on there, but candy corn. I got this one mainly for the stickers for when my younger grandkids come. But actually the owl is cute. The mummy's cute. So you can find all kinds of, you can even go online and find line drawings. So, all right, everyone, I'm going to go because I'm going to get ready for my next class. The Santa and the globe would be a great door hanger. It would be. I like that one. I need to look through it a little bit more. So